Triops is a genus of small crustaceans in the order Notostraca. The long-lasting resting eggs of several species of Triops are commonly sold in kits as a pet. The animals hatch upon contact with fresh water. Most adult-stage Triops have a life expectancy of up to 90 days and can tolerate a pH range of 6-10. In nature, they often inhabit temporary pools. The genus Triops can be distinguished from the only other living genus of Notostraca, Lepidurus, by the form of the telson, which bears only a pair of long, thin caudal extensions in Triops, while Lepidurus also bears a central plate-like process. Only 24 hours after hatching they already resemble miniature versions of the adult form. Triops are sometimes called living fossils, since fossils that have been attributed to this genus have been found in rocks hundreds of millions of years old. However, careful analysis of these fossils cannot definitively assign these specimens to Triops. Molecular clock estimates suggest that Triops split from Lepidurus during the Triassic or Jurassic between 152.3–233.5 million years ago. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.